Cut a butter paper according to pan size. Now grease your pan with oil. Get all the pans ready like this. Preheat your oven at 180 for 15 to 20 minutes. Turn on the flame to bake the cake in a cooking pot, and place a grill or plate to give the cake height. Now, let's start the recipe. Before adding eggs to the mixer, break them in a separate bowl so that if any egg is spoiled, it can be separated. I needed to prepare orders for 6-pound cakes, so I have taken 12 eggs. If you want to bake according to a 1-pound measurement, then you need to take 2 eggs. Icing sugar or sugar, 480 grams for 6 pounds. Sift icing sugar and mix it into the eggs. Add few drops of vanilla essence. Now start beating the eggs and sugar. Now measure baking powder 30 grams for 6 pounds. Cocoa powder, 45 grams for 6 pounds. Measure oil 358 grams. White flour, 405 grams. Now slow the beating process and add oil gradually. Add baking and cocoa powder. Now add white flour. Mix the flour gently. It's ready. Now pour into the pans. Tap them like this so the bubbles can burst out. Now place in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. Place the cake into the pot for 25 minutes. Check with skewer. If it comes out clearly, it means it's ready and baked well. Very soft sponge.